You walk into an office, classroom, hospital, retail store, airport, or government building, and you will notice one thing: panel lights are everywhere. There is a reason these slim, bright panels have become the global standard of modern commercial lighting. Hi, I'm Steve. I'm from Runwin Lighting, a lighting manufacturing company based in China with over 20 years of experience. I'm going to explain not only why panel lights have become essential, but also what you should look for when sourcing your panel from us. Our Avero LED panel lights engineered to meet the strict demand of B2B products worldwide. Panel lights provide a combination of functionality, comfort, and design. They deliver wide and even illumination while blending seamlessly into the ceiling, giving your environment a clean and professional look. Their no-flicker performance is especially important in spaces where people work long hours, like labs, meeting rooms, etc. Consistent line stability reduces visual fatigue, improves concentration, and supports a healthier work environment. LED panel lights are also extremely energy efficient, consuming far less power than the older fluorescent system. For businesses managing multiple floors or buildings, these differences result in significant long-term cost savings. A professional-grade panel light contains high-efficiency LED chips, a light guide plate for perfect light contribution, a diffuser to soften brightness and remove glare, a driver to ensure stable performance, a reflective back panel to maximize output. This combination ensures uniform brightness, no hotspot, no harsh shadow, and maximize lighting comfort. The Avero series, built for businesses that need reliable, long-term lasting, and energy-efficient lighting solution. It comes in rectangular and square sizes, but there are other options that fit your specific needs, where you can apply for a quotation on runwin.com, or you can contact me directly on steve@runwin.com. Our Avero panel lights allow you to select your color temperature: 5K, 4K, and 6K. No flicker LED technology eliminates eye strain and improves workplace well-being. The high output efficiency, 100 lumen per watt with power energy consumption, durable PVC plus PC construction, lightweight yet strong, deal for large project procurements. The Avero comes with a remote control to adjust brightness, toxicity, and manage modes conveniently. The Avero panel integrates one intelligent PRS sensor system designed for modern buildings. When natural light is sufficient, the panel light does not turn on, even if movement is detected. When natural light is low, the panel light turns on automatically when people enter the room. After the program hold time, the light dims to a low standby level. When the standby level periods end, the light switches off automatically. This technology is especially valuable in corridors, washrooms, meeting rooms, and shared office spaces where occupancy constantly changes. Here are 4 things you should look for. 1. Timing wattage selectability. Look for dimmable panel lights if you want to control your brightness throughout the day. Some models also allow you to adjust wattage to control energy consumption. Number 2. Lifespan and warranty. Since LED panels should last long time, check the manufacturer lifespan and warranty ideally. A good panel light will have a lifespan of 50,000 hours or with a warranty to back it up. 3. Energy efficiency and certification. Look for certification like CE and DLC if energy savings are important to you. This label confirms the product needs strict energy efficiency standards. Backed by a trusted manufacturer with 20 years of lighting experiences, the Avero LED panel is designed not just to illuminate spaces, but to improve energy efficiency, reduce operation costs, and deliver reliable performance for years to come. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our customer base support, and don't forget to like and hit the bell. See you next time.